Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So, I'm just coming on for a quick video just to touch base with you guys. I know I've been missing in action, but I finally broke down and got me a new camera. So, here's the one I got. Ooh, see if you can see that. Light is not good. So yeah, it's the Kodak. I don't know. I like it. It's okay. Anyway, um, I've been wearing my raw Indian hair, and it's kind of strange because I wore it straight today. Oops. But I put some flexi rods in the ends of it, just right on the tips, and it looked really nice. So this hair, y'all, is really gorgeous. And this pretty much was how I wore it today. Just down straight, and let me show you the back. Tilt this down so you can see the back. Curls have dropped, so I'm just gonna put the flexi rods in it again. So yeah. I've been off camera for so long, I don't even know what to talk about. But I just, so here's the thing, I will tell you this about this camera. So when I purchased the camera, nowhere on the box does it say what you need. So I went and got, so I didn't know I needed an SD card with it, the memory card. I didn't know that because my other camera didn't take a memory card. You just charge the batteries. So I put it together, took a picture, tried the video, it wouldn't record. So apparently you cannot record with this Kodak camera without the SD card. So I said, okay, take another trip to Walmart. Go to Walmart, get a 64, what is it, gigabyte? No, 64 megabyte, whatever it's called, SIM card, and camera wouldn't work. So it's like, okay, now it's Sunday. And so Monday, of course, I did send them an email. But Monday, I went ahead and called their support line because the first thing it says on the package is, do not return to the store. If I had known that, I wouldn't have bought it because it tells me something up. But anyway, I went ahead and called them, and it was like, okay, you can't use anything over a 32 with this camera. And I'm like, it would have been nice if y'all would have put that on the box. Not included. Recommended to buy. So, anyway, my rant. So, went ahead, got the 32 MB, and that's what I have in it. Works like a charm, so yeah. Anyway, alright y'all, I'm finna get off of this. That's all I want to talk about. I'll come on maybe with another video and show you some more stuff. Bye y'all. Now how I turn it off? Oh, I think I press here.